Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Roland.
Yeah, hey Stibo.
Chris and Tutule.
Ngiyabona labafana bajabulile namhlanje bawinile uyabona bayashaya amagoli.
Yeah.
Bengithi amagoli wabo aphelile but ngiyabona wakapheli sathatha amagoli asasekhona amagoli. But what I want to remind iPirates Stibo ilento yokuthi uyabona when you are invited to the wedding,
yes,
it does not mean ukuthi uyashada Stibo.
Yeah.
It's just an invitation ukhona lapha just to witness abashadayo uyabona.
Shadaba.
So into ngifuna ukuyikhuluma Stibo ukuthi just because you are winning now,
yeah,
iSundowns ilokho isaconcentrate ku-CAF,
yeah,
it doesn't mean ukuthi uwe lo uzoyithatha mawuzibona lapha phezulu. You are just invited ukuthi uzohlala lapha because kumele kuba no someone uzohlala abambele iSundowns,
yeah,
and ibhlungu indaba yokubambela,
yeah,
into ngiyibonayo ngalawo majita lawo.
Angeke bayithini.
But at least awuthi bajabula kancane uyabona basabambele i-team enkulu.
Yeah, which is Sundowns.
Which is Sundowns.
But angeke bayinuki li.
Angeke bayinuki.
Are you sure?
Leyo Stibo, like I can make a bet ukuthi ngeke bayinuka iligi. Ingabhetha ngokuthi Stibo yazi like ama fan base wethu Stibo ne. Masiyobheka igame lapha.
Sure.
Ku le yabhale yasiya kuyo. The first round will be on me.
Yeah, uzoba amaphiya.
The first round will be on me Stibo. Mama ngayithatha. It's a bet engiyenzayo.
Stibo, sure.
Nice game kuyibhakaniya.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bakorile bazami akufani yazi mfethu.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukubambisa isandla namhlanje mfethu.
Obhakaniya.
Ngimbamba isandla ngoba hayi ngiyamlekelela ukuthi angawi. Ngoba hey kunzima lapha phezulu ngoba kuyashisa.
Yeah.
Kuyashisa wena mfethu ngoba bengithi ngizophatha amapilisi antidepressant namhlanje. Ngizoba bathi ngoba ayikubi mfethu bengithi ngizoba admit. So ke ngiyabona ba admiteke abafethu hayi. Cha baqinile abafethu kodwa yabona kunento engizoyisho namhlanje mfethu. Yabona uMaysile penalty lo mfana le umfukeng. Hayi cha. Ayukho igoli elihle. Quality. Bake bakhala ngolo mfana. Umbuthuma. Umbuthuma bamnikezele awanonwane. Ngoba lesafundisa umduduzi shabalala le awanonwane ukuthi aphase inethi nje kuphela kamnandi. Ageja.
Umbuthuma ke.
Mfethu. Hayi cha yazini. Bhakaniya namanje ngisasho bafethu bafo. Khohla bhuti khohla mfethu njengesidomi sesikole njengesidomi sesikoleni mfethu khohla akufani mfethu lalela-ke next week bathi sinikeza 5 lapha ngabalunge lapha laba next week sijimile manje bona nomthetho siza ngani siza nga-4 siyajima manje ababatuba uyabona wenzani Ambana wenza nukhuluma
ngaye bekathi ICU lo muntu bekacrippled uvela manje ayikho
Thank you for the opportunity.
Sure, Chris.
Into engizoyisho nje iyodwa kuphela kumaBhakaniya. Uthi yabona sisonke la sonke siyawazi umsebenzi sonke siyaya emsebenzini. Ifana njanga lento le yenziwa Pirates. Uhamba uye emsebenzini uyosebenza usebenze kanzima ekugcineni ufe uphuwa. Ifana lento yenziwa eBhakaniya. Pirates iyadlala hlezi number 2. Ayithathi lutho.
Never.
So into engizoyisho mina mfethu I will give a credit to Mfukeng. Kulela gola kalkorile. That's was a quality football Stibo. Ngibonga kakhulu bafethu. Kodwa into engizoyisho ukuthi Paganian abayehlisa umoya noba ngakora 50 abayehlisa umoya awunala bayakhona
liga bayithatha
phela nje
odwa namhlanje kwashintsha isikhathi sakhe ushintshile ngiyakhombisa ukuthi iPirates ayikho ngoba second lalela leTP yakhe sinzingelile leTP akunagoleliwa nengenile akunagoleliwa nengenile akunagoleliwa since atshintshe line up yakhe ibonile ukuthi kahle kunabantu abathembele kubo kuphela yes baba khohlwana bafana